Hello, Killeen ISD. I am Lamia Ezel, and I'm here with Tori Hamilton. We're on the campus of Killeen High School, and I am so excited to be here with her because today we're going to teach you some tips and tricks for you to be able to make your homecoming just as memorable as anybody else's with mums and boutonnieres right here. So I have no clue where to get started, Tori. I have all of my things here, and I don't know what to do from here. So how do we get started?
First, you start off making sure you have the materials to assemble it. You'll need some scissors, hot glue gun, and this will be your best friend, stapler. Okay, so boys do wear some and girls do as well. Mm-hmm. So you have things that are called boutonnieres. Boys will wear them either on the shoulder or on the front part. And then girls go big and boom. Well, we're gonna start off small, go there, and then we're gonna step by step, okay?
Okay.
Boys get started off with a little small base. You need a foundation. And then what are your school colors?
Here at Killeen High School's campus, our colors are maroon, gray, and white. 3 colors.
So today you have brought some of the material and I'm going to show you. You want to start off with a base. With your base, you're going to go ahead and pick up different color fabrics that you can get from Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Walmart, because in this area, as you say, they all, in the stores, they're prepared for the big boom of the homecoming. Absolutely. So a lot of them will do their mums and build up. Okay, so you'll have your base here, and then you'll build up your decor to fit for your child.
Oh, I like that, the decor.
The decor for the set. So some, as your parents are, you know your son is a football player, a basketball player. They'll also have, and then you have bowling as well. So here it is. Your child is going to Killeen High with bowling, and you have represent their bowling. The moms are to represent your child, what they're going to school for at the same time. So if they are arts and crafty, you'll pick color pencils on there, or scissors, or anything like that. If they're in band, you'll put a drum set on there.
So I'm gonna ask Tori, while we have all this layered, very lovely, this decor, does it matter how we are layering these ribbons down?
Not necessarily, because when they get them moving and they're having their pep rally, they're gonna see everything that you put on there.
Okay.
Okay? So you can start off with a hot glue gun or a stapler. We'll start off with a stapler for this one to show you. And I'll place it on there. I want this one about this wide. So I'm just gonna go all the way to the end, and you're building your base.
But on the table, we have all the little extra decorations that you may need for your boutonniere or mum. We've got a State of Texas, we got a soccer ball, we got some football helmets, band, a letter K, all kinds of little things that you can add bells and whistles to your mum or boutonniere.
So once after you get done building your base, your foundation, I say, then you want to go to the fun part.
Okay, I've been having fun, so.
I say the fun part. So from there, you'll pick a flower. Which flower would you like?
Oh, they're both so pretty. They're maroon and white. I can't have both. That's a lie. Okay, I'm gonna go with the maroon flower today.
Okay, and that's funny that you say that. Since I've started making these, my daughter, she's a junior now, so I've been this is going on 3 years. I tried to stick with 1 for a freshman, and then 2 for sophomore, junior 3, and then senior.
Oh.
They did a big, huge boom.
Senior year, top one over.
Yeah, top one over. So, parents, don't get too freaked out when they get in their freshman year and you're like, mums, homecomings, what is that? I don't know. Just start off small, and then as the year goes on, you'll see why it's so big. All right, so our next step is we're going to add our flour that you picked out.
Yes.
You just need to add a little glue, because the flowers you can get these from Hobby Lobby as well.
Okay. Watch your fingers, parents.
Yes. And just add a little pressure to it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. 1, 2, 3. Hot glue doesn't take long to dry.
It does not.
And then there you go. So now you have these ribbons and decor. You can cut it to size. You can cut it short. You can leave them long. You can cut it zigzag at the bottom or whatever for your length of prefer.
Okay, so now, audience, I'm not the tallest one in the world, okay? So,
but this one is gonna be for a boy.
Okay, so if we're looking at a boy, we're looking at the chest or the arm.
Yeah.
Okay, so if I'm looking at an arm, I'm probably gonna want it right at the elbow.
Okay, so we're gonna cut in different directions and try not to cut the nice kangaroo little. There you go. And I like it.
Okay, how am I looking?
We're getting there.
I'm feeling
Almost
jazzy.
there. So this is when you parents can decorate to your child's name. You can add a football. You can add these cool little band signs you can find at Hobby Lobby as well. And you can just get creative. Add their name, add their football jersey, add the year that they're graduating. This is Spirit Week,
Yes.
Pep Rally Week.
Yes.
That's when everybody goes, yeah. I like it.
Okay, now this garter, what are we doing with this?
So, before we add on the garter that holds on for the boutonniere,
Okay.
we're gonna go ahead and add on these cool little decorations.
Oh, yes.
So pick out something that you would like on this boutonniere for a boy.
I'm gonna pick the band because I always like to get a little jazzy.
Yes.
We've got the football in there already.
Okay. Where would you like this band? You want it down on here?
Yes.
You want it down here?
Yes.
I like it.
I want it nice and bold on there.
Mm-hmm. You're crafty with it.
Perfect. Okay, now we've got this garter.
So you'll flip it over and you'll place it onto the back and you hot glue it, or you can staple it. Me, I like to staple it because it's stuck in there.
Okay.
And then some people do like to hot glue it. So it's really for their purpose.
I want to make sure it stays on the arm.
It stays on the arm, correct. I like it.
Now, do the girls get the garter, or this is just a boy?
This is really just a boy thing.
Okay.
Yeah, this is really just a boy thing. And they'll just place it onto their arm, like so.
Okay.
Yes, all right, little jazz.
Oh, nice! And we're moving.
You're moving, and you're good, just like that.
This is perfect. So this is a boutonniere well under budget. It's got the colors. It's got everything you need. It's got personality. It's got all the different plain ribbons, metallic ribbons. It's got my kangaroo ribbon on here. This is exactly what a boy is going to need homecoming week, ready to go within the district. Add your colors, add your personality, and you're set.
Yeah.
Now I see Tori over here working on the girls. We're ready to get started on it?
I'm ready.
Okay, now let me tell you where we're at. See if I got it.
You got
Okay,
it?
so we're building the foundation, yes. So we've got our circle of cardboard again.
Yes.
Yes, it is a little bigger because our females, we want to make sure they are showing off. So
Yes.
we've got a nice foundation going. I see we've got some different ribbons here, but still very much keeping
Yes.
it Killeen High School
Yes.
with our maroon and whites.
And budget friendly.
Yes,
That's
very
good.
important. Now I see for this one we're adding some plain colored ribbons, so we don't have to have them all with the decorative on them.
No, you don't,
Okay.
but you know, with girls, it's a whole lot of more extra jazz. You're gonna add bills, you're gonna add fur, you're gonna add whatever it is. You can take old material, their old t-shirts, their old jerseys, and take that and rip that up and add it on
I
there.
didn't even think to do that because we got our kids grow every day. We've got
Yeah.
plenty of things that they've outgrown that we can
Yeah.
add to these mums now. That is good. Oh, that's a good.
Some people ethnicity,
Mhm.
some people put their flags on there and things like that.
Okay.
So, yeah. So, but today we're all about root pride. So here we go. You got your foundation,
Right.
right? With the girls, you're gonna add a little bit more to around the little round around the side.
Okay. Okay.
So for the girls, you'll like to take some ribbon and cut them up. The same ribbon you buy, you'll sit here and cut them up into pieces. It can
Okay.
be, doesn't matter how long, and you can simply take it and fold it in half like so.
Mhm.
And guess what? You're gonna start stapling.
Oh, that gem right there. Okay. So we
So-
need extra staples.
Oh, you're
we're
gonna,
doing this.
yeah, you're gonna need a lot of staples. A lot of staples, a lot of glue. And so you just go like so, just like this. And then what you'll do with these, you can even do different colors. You don't necessarily have to do all one. You can mix them up.
Okay, so this is where it gets fun. Is this the fun part?
Yeah.
Is it okay? This is the fun part, and I really feel excited about this fun part.
So I took maroon and So you'll take them and glue them around your base. You're gonna build a flower, a pattern of silk, just like so.
Okay, well let's do it.
Let's do it. Real simple, real quick, not gonna take too much of your time. One. We can do black and maroon, black and maroon.
And the key here right now is just to keep with the basic colors. This doesn't need to be the expensive ribbon that's got all the writing and everything on it.
No.
Because this is coming together great.
And you can also still print things out, laminate them. You know, it doesn't necessarily have to all be. So you continue to go all the way around, and let's get another flower.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so we've got our white flower.
You got a white one?
Yes, yes.
We're gonna pop. The girls are gonna pop out a little bit. So, same flower you're gonna get from Hobby Lobby or anywhere. And you stick that thing on there, and we're gonna glue it just like we glue the boutonniere. Right on there.
Oh, look
and
at
then
that's nice.
And you'll continue to add. You can get the K, painted maroon. Dots, or you can write your child's name down on it, or the year they graduate, and you have the K there.
Yes.
To represent your school.
I love it.
Yes.
Okay, let's glue down the flower.
Let's glue down the flower. And then that's when we get to add in the lights and the ruffles and the...
Oh, we got lights?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, let's glue this bad boy down.
Now, as you're seeing, audience, she's got basic colors around this cardboard foundation here, but it's coming together. As soon as she puts that flower on there, you don't even have to worry about this part that's just out right here. So if you don't have your ribbons all evened out right there, the flower is going to cover all of that. It's kind of like icing on a cake that you mess up. I like that this fold is so basic. It's just a fold over
and then
staple.
you can still take small ones. If you don't mind grabbing a white small string or something like that, and I can show you. Real simple. You can take this same string and cut it, a smaller one, and go over.
Oh,
and
that's nice.
Go over like that as well.
Okay.
And you'll have a 2-dimension.
See, and I like it because I'm not a good napkin folder. So when you have something that's just fold over and staple, you add an extra layer to it, change the color of it, and it makes it look that much more just upgraded. That's perfect.
So there you go.
I like that. That is nice. The flower just, let's show our audience. The flower is just covering all of the extra that we saw, and now just 2 basic colors. We're not even done yet.
Not done. So you can continue to add on however much. So big, a lot of ribbons, a little bit of ribbons, a little bit small. It's not much. You can add.
Yes, the bells and whistles.
Yes, you remember in school you could hear them coming.
Yes.
Welcome, moms. I love it. Yes. So yeah, let's get with it.
Now it's time to decorate the flower. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Ready? What do you have in mind?
I want to put that big K on there.
You want to put it on there?
Yes.
Where would you like it? Dead center in the
I
middle?
think we should put it on the side. That way we got some room to put something extra on there.
Pop some hot glue on there.
Now, Tori, I did see you with some fur on the table.
Yes.
Can we add the fur? Because this is the girl one, so I feel like the girl one can have some fur on it.
Yes, we're gonna add some fur.
Okay.
We're gonna add some fur.
Now, our mom has gotten, let's show our audience. Our mom has gotten real beautiful now that we've added this fur. But
a little more than the boutonniere.
it is. So does this make my budget go up?
Girls are more, but no, it doesn't.
Okay.
You can still find these same things you can find for the boutonniere. You can find it at your local dollar store, Walmart. Hobby Lobby always have sales. They always have coupons. They always have some type of deal.
Okay.
Yeah, and see, once again, you're gonna cut to your length. So if you have more than one child, just cut it in half and you can make 2.
That's smart, okay? Did we hear that? Because that was a gem she just dropped. So if you've got more than one child that is going to homecoming and you've got one boy, one girl, look at that. Or you want to keep some extra, you're ready to go.
Yes. Okay, so there. We got the K on there. They can paint it, label it their name, year they're graduating, or whatnot, and still add the rest of the stuff like you add to the boutonniere. The football, the soccers, you got football ribbons, you got soccer ribbons, volleyball ribbons, band. some are just not in anything, and they have the spirit, like this one.
Perfect.
I got the spirit.
Okay.
That's all that matters.
So now that we use the garter for our boutonniere,
Yes.
what do we use to make our mum stay?
Ooh, so.
You can decide between string, safety pin, or beads. So I'm gonna go with the beads just because it's a little extra. It's gonna be seen from afar, and I like that.
So we can take it through the loops that you made.
So the same loops that we folded and stapled, they've got multi-purpose now.
Yes.
I like that.
And we're saving.
Yes.
And there you have a girl's mom.
And what girl doesn't wear a necklace in high school? Quick, easy, beads. Who doesn't like beads? And it stays on. There's no problem with it at all. It doesn't look heavy. It looks nice and light. And again, like Tori said, as they stay in high school, as each year your student continues to be in the district, they can add more flowers. They can add more razzle-dazzles. They get more comfortable as they join more sports, as they do more of the activities that we have within the district. They can add all of those things. Their personality, district personality, friends' personality, their culture, all of it can come out in your moment boutonniere. Now, I'm very much a memory kind of person, and I like to build on to things. So, as my child goes on, I know you said that you add a new flower every year. That's something that you can do at home. You can add new flowers every year that your students in school. Can I add to the mom each year?
Yes. Yes, most definitely.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just a little extra.
So that's another way that we can save money. We
Yeah,
can
most definitely save money that way.
We're already starting at a great base.
So like for me, I would take this K off and then add some more, and then also keep I could put the K down here for the following year, and then up here put something that they got. Maybe they got a new thing that they
So we just modify and we move on with the memory, and we keep building. That's the best part. This has been great, Tori. Thank you so much for coming and helping us today. And we're keeping the tradition going. So this has been Lamia Ezel, your parent liaison here at Killeen High School, and Tori Hamilton with your tips and tricks on mum and boutonniere making. Thank you so much for joining us today.